Hello, you're watching Daily Currency Market News on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachin. Hello, dear traders, I'm Kate Nidachin and you are watching ИнстаФорекс TV channel with the latest financial market news. At the early session today, the pound sterling was gaining ground against the US dollar and the single European currency. The British pound gained momentum amid statements of David Miles, member of the Monetary Policy Committee at the Bank of England. In an interview with the Mortgage Strategy, the top official states the viewpoint on how much time the regulator needs to achieve a target inflation level. According to his estimates, consumer inflation is capable of reaching the target level by late 2015 or in early 2016. The Bank of England has determined the level of 2% as an appropriate rate of consumer prices growth. The comments of the top official from the Monetary Policy Committee encouraged stronger market expectations of a possible announcement of a tighter monetary policy. Besides, the verbal intervention supported the national currency and pushed the British pound up. The pound-dollar pair surpassed the level of 1.56. The pair is likely to find support at the price of 1.5550. Resistance will be at the previous highs in the range of 1.5640 to 1.5650. Such developments will come as a surprise, as David Miles in his interview also told that interest rates would be lifted step by step. Apparently, it's enough to make bulls go on with the active purchases of the pound sterling. Today, the overall tone favors the British currency like never before. In addition, the pound sterling is moving up thanks to the minutes of the regulator meeting of the Bank of England. This time, the MPC members noted influence of wages on inflation, an increase in the manufacturing output, as well as risk related to a strong appreciation of the national currency. Officials from the British Central Bank share the viewpoint that the overvalued pound sterling can hinder the economic growth in the country. According to the regulator's forecast, the UK GDP is set to rise by 0.7% both the second and third quarters, despite that the fact economic conditions are getting worse. Finally, the Monetary Policy Committee took notice of the Greek issue and highlighted that Greece's debt crisis should be closely monitoring. It was InstaForexx News and me, Kate Nidachin. See you next release.